Lottie. So today's video is a video for my Sample Saturday series. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So today's Sample Saturday video is using this Alpha Essential Skin Perfecting Moisturiser SPF 15. So it is a 3-in-1 moisturiser. It's a sun shield and primer, combining broad spectrum UV filters with antioxidants, next generation peptides and daily damage defenders, Cureberry and Polu Shield to help minimize signs of environmental, digital and photo aging, non-whitening. So I got this in the July Bellabox, but I didn't get this tried in time for my video, and I really wanted to try this one out. So I'm using this one for my Sample Saturday today. So I've just had a shower, I've gotten dressed, brushed my hair, I've done all my other skincare, so I'm just ready to put on a moisturiser now. So I'm just going to use this as a moisturiser. I'm not going to put any makeup on or anything over top of it. I'm just working today, so there's no point. So let's see how this goes. I will make a quick note that I am having a breakout at the moment. I do have a little spot here, and I have 2 in the crease of my nose there. So if you notice those, they are already there prior to putting this on. So let's go ahead and try it out. So I've just opened the packet. This is not what I was expecting. Okay, this is not white at all. This is like a tan nudie color. So let's grab just a tiny bit more out. I'm not using the whole packet. I'll pop a bobby pin on it so that I can use it more later as well. So this is what it's looking like. So I've just grabbed a decent amount on my finger there, and it feels kind of thick. It's not like all liquidy, it is thick. So let's go in and pop a little bit everywhere. It smells quite nice actually. I'm not sure what's in it, but it smells sort of fresh. All right, let's rub this in. It sort of smells like a plant as you're rubbing it in. Okay, so that's what it looks like all rubbed in. I'm quite shiny, it's still wet at the moment. So I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes and I will be back to show you what it looks like once it's dry. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes since I put this on my face. So this is what it's currently looking like. Now I just wanted to come in nice and close to show you guys that this doesn't actually say it's like a tinted moisturizer or anything like that, but that's what it's done on me. You can sort of see where I haven't gone like too close to my mouth, that's still like my natural color there, and then you can see where I've got the moisturizer, it's gone like a brownie color. You can really tell on the sides of my face like where my hair is. Just along there you can see the difference in colors. So I'm going to leave it on and I will check back in a few hours. I'm just working, so I'm not going to stress out about what it looks like at the moment. So I am going out this afternoon, so I will come back and I'll do a check-in before I do go out, because if it's still looking patchy like this, I will remove it because you can clearly tell in person. So yeah, it's definitely looking patchy. It feels nice on my skin, but it hasn't really dried down, and it has been over 5 minutes now. So it's looking very oily, but I will keep you guys updated. So I will see you guys in a minute. So it's been about 5 or 6 hours now since I have popped this on my skin. So this is what my skin is looking like. So I unfortunately don't like it. It is tinted and I don't like what it has done to my face. I'm looking very patchy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a baby wipe, not a makeup remover, just a plain boring baby wipe, and I'm going to remove it off of my face and just show you what the difference is on camera so you can see what I can see, because I feel like as though it's not picking up on camera as bad as it is in person. So my worst part is like over here, you can see like some patchiness there. So let's take that, and it looks like as though I've just taken foundation off my face, so you can see the line there. So let's keep removing this. Okay, so this is the baby wipe now. So I've just taken it all off of my face. Definitely not a fan of it. It did leave me very, very patchy. And the other thing is it never fully dried down. So if I would touch my face, it would just transfer onto my hand. I did lean on my face a little bit like under here, and I was like, what is that? It feels like as though my face is like sticky. And then I remembered that I had this on my face. So yeah, I'm not a fan of this one, unfortunately. I won't be purchasing this one. I have some more left in this package, so I'm going to see if I can close it up enough so that I could pass the remainder on to someone else and see if they have the same issue as me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, this one didn't work out for me. Not everything can work out. Everybody has different skin types, so whilst it may not work for me, it may still work for you. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.